mga times na I feel like, oh, I would never sing that song or ano. But when I actually try it, I'm like,
kaya naman pala.
Kaya pala ng voice ko to. So, ayun, we have yet to try it. We're gonna start preparing this week.
Nagkaroon ka na ba ng mini concert or?
I have, many years ago. I think 8 years ago, I did have a mini concert to celebrate my 11th year in showbiz. And I wish I had RNA back then because I did have a few mga mali-maling notes. But you know, that's part of living life. I make mistakes.
Pero ngayon mas confident ka na kumanta.
Now, naiintindihan ko na yung ibig sabihin ng parang when people would try to explain to me before yung control, how to control your voice. Kasi I thought mo okay na. Kasi syempre Pilipinas to, akala ko natural singers lang talaga lahat. Pero ayun na nga, now with the lessons, I have a better understanding of how to control my voice. And nalalaro ko siya, even in Encantadia.
Nakailan ka na sa ilang years ka na sa RM Academy?
2 years, but it's not always singing. I also asked them to help me with drum lessons. I did a movie last year called Sinagtala. I had to play. And I also sang there in the movie.
Tapos yung session mo, tapos na.
Sorry?
Regular session ba to o pag may per
Okay, so on and off lang yun, especially when there's something na I need to prepare for or pag may gusto kong kantahin or i-perform, I ask Jade to help me prepare.
Anong pinakamahirap na kanta na kailangan pag-aralan mo so far?
Well, one time, si Michelle asked to sing with me this song na at the time, akala namin, wow, ang ganda ng song, ang simple. Nung kinanta na namin, talagang nakakapagod talaga siya. And then, we were watching recently yung kinanta ni Jessica Sanchez. These beautiful things na ang taas pala nun. So, iba syempre pag ginawa niya. Yung kay Benson, beautiful things. Mahirap pala yun.
Sino mas magaling na sa'yo?
Ako, hindi.
Sobrang confident na.
Hindi. I think we have different, we have very different voices. And, kumari, I actually really like also when the song has rap in it or something like that. Si Michelle naman, as we saw in her song Reina, may mga belting movements. She actually has a powerful voice na she can really bring out.
So, ang pangarap mo rin magkaroon talaga ng single?
A single? I wouldn't mind. Of course, I wouldn't mind. I have written and sang my own songs in the past. And I've also sang songs that were written for me na. Hindi naman malayong mangyari na in the future I'll come out with more na sana ako yung
Meron na bang nalabas ka para sa Spotify? Para sa mga
Meron
music
akong
platform?
Spotify.
Wow, ano
Try mo
yun?
yun. I'm a Spotify artist, guys.
Ano mga kanta yun?
There is a song called You that was given to me. I did it for a video game. It was the theme song of a video game. I also wrote a song which is there called Body Crashes. Limutan no? This was years ago, okay?
Marami-rami na pala.
I have 3, I think, on Spotify. So in that sense, talo ko si Michelle.
Isa pa lang siya. Isa pa lang sa kanya, Ray.
Pero, she has a big producer. That's different.
Star siya, music.
Yes, I'm very excited. She's working on a new one. Very cool new song.
Hindi kayo magkukulab?
Collab? Oh, we haven't actually had any plans to, pero it's possible someday. Ganun lang ako ni Aubrey kanina kung magpo-concert na ba daw ako. Sabi ko, actually, next year is my 20th year in showbiz. So, if ever I have an excuse, di ba? Pwede.
Pero gusto mo yung
Someone has spoken to me about it and open up sa akin yung idea to produce a concert for me next year. And I was like, what? But also, why not?
Habang preparasyon handa.
Yes, I believe na I'm going to need a lot of practice.
Sing and dance or more on singing?
But I'm gonna have to dance right and prepare beautiful outfits and guests and that's the power of believing in yourself talaga. So why not?
So feeling mo mas magaling ka kay Ann Curtis? Kay Ann, mas magaling kang kumanta naman.
Watch out. Charot! Iba na kapag nasulat nyo na. Wala na sobrang out of context na nun. Saka na. Please just play the video.
Ikaw, Jerry,
Ikaw yung nagtanong pero medyo may iba naman ako. Ano naman ang comment mo dun sa mga kumakanta sa mga hearing? Nagkakanta ka. Kasi minsan yung lumabas din yung kay Sam kasi di ba yung may interview yung mga lifestyle.
Oo, we saw that but I said I don't think anyone's gonna take that seriously given his reputation in business for the past how many years. So, in fairness naman, hindi naman din.
Pero affected ka rin yung naglabasan na yung limpak na pera na naka-impact sa
I
mga...
am very emotionally affected because nakakagalit talaga lahat na nangyayari. I've always had this, this is also why I was very hesitant nung tatakbo si Sam because I grew up in the Philippines where, alam mo yon, being in the government is synonymous almost with what do you call this?
Corruption?
With corruption, yes. So ikaw nagsabi nun?
Oo. Kahit everywhere pinag-uusapan ngayon talaga eh.
And as we should, because this conversation has been a long time coming already. I've been hearing the word corruption since I was a toddler. So, alam mo yun, I think it's a good thing that all of this is coming out. Hopefully, in our next round of elections, sana, the people that come into this position na may masamang intentions, mas mahihirapan na sila gawin yung balak nila.
Pero nakakaramdam ka rin ba ng takot? Kasi sa ibang bansa, Nepal, Indonesia, may mga nagra-riot na ng mga kumbaga parang nagre-resort na sila sa parang revolusyon, ng ganon, talagang rough.
I still believe that Filipinos are fairly peaceful people. Kasi sa lahat ng mga race, I feel like kung may taong may karapatan magalit for all of these years and for so many reasons, tayo ang may karapatan at tayo ang may dahilan. And yet, alam mo yun, we could have had riots every year, di ba? I mean, every year naman tayo pinabaha, nakakagalit na talaga. But I believe we're still a very peaceful people and hopefully we can get through this without anyone getting physically hurt.
At syempre, may concert pa kayo eh. Kailangan matuloy yung concert.
Kung may sa Stampede, pwedeng mag-Stampede na lang papasok ng concert.
Pasok ka!
Na-invite!
Ayaw ni Tera na ganyan.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't want people to feel like I'm making a joke out of but I am making a joke.
Para medyo...
Pero tama, lalo pat magpapasko, parang yung mga tao looking forward na sa Christmas eh.
Yes. I know that these are very serious topics that we're facing right now. But at the same time, alam mo yun, we also have meme culture. So please excuse my jokes. I just find comedy to be a very healing. I think that's why, di ba, if ever, lahat ng nangyayari sa news, may memes na kagad.
Yes.
Kasi that's how we heal as people.
Basta naman yung pagtakbo niyo isa.
Oh my gosh. Kaka-recover lang like 3 days ago. So, paika-ika ako for about 1 week. May mali akong ginawa eh. May mali akong form na ginawa. So, by siguro mga 70% of the marathon, I started limping na. Ayokong matapos na parang ayokong umuwi na walang medal, alam mo yun. Tapos I also felt like Sam is para bang depending on me also, na parang if I don't finish, he won't finish. So, pinilit ko talaga, and so I kind of caused an injury to myself, but you know, whatever, we made it. 6 hours and 41 minutes. 19 minutes na lang hindi na kami pasok. So, talagang kahit limping, I was trying to go as fast as possible kasi hinahabol kami ng monitor.
Kumusta na yung legs?
Okay naman. I took a lot of supplements like glucosamine and collagen, and later on it started improving. Okay na.
Next goal?
Next goal? Na marathon. I'm actually not sure. It's really, si Sam actually yung nag-goal tapos ako yung saling kit-kit. That's just there para may kasama siya.
May idol ka ba na singers na parang gusto mong sundan?
Well, yes, marami akong mga idol na singers. I don't know kung kaya kong sundan. I mean, I think people know that I'm a big Taylor Swift fan. I really love Lady Gaga also.
Dead Dance.
Sexy and everything.
I just love that they have very emotional music. So, yan yung mga... I love music na kaya mong pakinggan when you're going through something. Lady Gaga? Mary the Night.
Parang healing. Nagagamit mo for healing ang music?
Yes, kasi alam mo yun, most of the time when you're crying alone in your room, you feel very alone. But when you hear someone's music and their lyrics and it's describing what you're going through, it reminds you na, wow, I'm super not alone and people have felt the way that I've felt. That's also how I feel about movies, na pag may napanood kang pelikula, di ba, and parang relate ka, it's like, okay, I'm not alone in the world.
Next movie?
Sorry? Next movie, I'm shooting pa rin with Liza De Castro. I Fell, It's Fine. With Direk Sigrid. Sorry,
Makaka-relate ka. Oo, meron na.
Hindi pa tapos. Ginagandahan lang.
Ganda naman, habang naglalabang kayo sa eto magka-prayers.
Oo. We have a love-hate career. Not relationship, but career.
Naggabi, nagtapatan naman sila.
Yes. And they deserve it. Ganun eh.